Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best bed rails that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Regallo Hideaway Extra Long 54-inch Bed Rail Guard. It's now the right time to announce our number 1 item. Regallo Hideaway is one of the top-selling bed rail guard in the market. It is made to be 20-inch tall and 54 inches long for added security. In addition to that, it is easy to install on your bed and no tools required. This 54 inches bed rail guard is versatile and will easily fit twin to queen-size bed. More interestingly, this bed rail guard has a patented gap guard that will prevent gaps between the mattress and rail. The rail cover can be hand-washed with a soap and damp cloth. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ComfyBumpy Extra Long Bed Rails for Toddlers Gray XL. You need to be upfront in making sure that your toddler is well kept from rolling over when he or she is sleeping. ComfyBumpy bed rails is a great item that you should have, as they perfectly suit the restless sleepers. They will securely fit in your kings and queens, doubles and kid twin beds. What's more, they are designed with flat iron bars that allow your child not to feel the bars under their mattress, thus they will sleep comfortably. The best thing about this bed rails is that it comes with an affordable price that will not break your pockets. Installing this bed rails is also simple and takes few minutes to mount on the bed. At number 3, we have the Hikapop Convertible Crib Child Bed Rail. Actually, babies are very active when they are awake, and you need to ensure that the baby is safe when they are in bed. Hikapop Child Bed Rail will play a major role in making sure that your child does not roll or fall. They are made of hardened steel frames throughout and heavy-duty fabrics that are fade-resistant and tear-resistant. Besides that, this item folds down whenever you want to have bedtime stories with your child. Assembling this bed rail takes a very short time and is designed to have a stress-free installation. Moreover, it includes easy-to-follow instructions and no tools needed for installation. At number 2, we have the Munchkin Sleep Toddler Bed Rail, Gray. This is a perfect choice of bed rail that will outfit any bed. It measures 18 inches height by 36 inches width and is made using durable aluminum frame, making it sturdy and strong. In addition to that, it comes with great color that will increment your child bedroom decor. The safety straps will eliminate gaps between mattress and bed rail, thus providing excellent security. When it comes to installation, this bed rail takes only 1 minute to mount. Furthermore, it is easy to clean, as you can wipe it with a wet damp cloth. It is suitable for toddlers who are 2 to 5 years old. And finally, at number 1, we have the Shinnwa Toddler Bed 2-Pack Rail Bumpers for Toddlers and Baby. As a parent, you need to take care of the baby even when they are sleeping. Shinnwa Rail Bumpers is going to ensure your baby's safety, protecting them from rolling or falling. They will offer a gentle touch that will act as a subconscious signal to remind to your baby that are close to danger and move away. The item cover is made of airy cotton fabric and non-slip silicone that is machine washable. These rail bumpers have ideal size for most beds and ages, measuring 52 inches by 6.5 inches by 4.5 inches. It only takes 3 simple steps to install, and it is CertiPure US certified for great performance and safety. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.